food lovers. Today we're going to make a yuzu and fresh fruits Makizushi dessert. And we're going to add some lovely ingredients to make this dessert a star on your dinner table. We need about 200 grams of sushi rice, 240 milliliters of coconut cream. We're not going to use nori sheets because they're too umami. We're going to use soy seeds or soya paper instead, and you can find these in many colors. 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt. What's very important is the yuzu puree. You can find this in the Japanese stores. We also got some banana leaf to steam the rice, and we got some dried pansy and violet flowers. These are very popular now in Japan. They use them a lot in pastry, and they're going to give us a beautiful floral background note. So we got some fresh fruits as well. I'm going to use blueberry, raspberry and strawberries, but as a matter of fact you can use any type of fruit you like. So let's get started. We're going to use our saucepan, add the sushi rice, add the coconut cream, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar and a little pinch of salt. Mix it up a little bit. We're going to put the heat on medium. We're going to stir this gently so the rice won't stick on the bottom of your pan. Once it starts boiling on the outside, lower the heat to the minimum, and we're going to stir the rice gently until most of the cream is absorbed in the rice. When the coconut cream is almost absorbed by the rice, we're going to kill the heat. We're going to keep on turning just a little bit until it cools a little bit down. So it was about 7 to 8 minutes to incorporate the cream with the rice, and now we're going to turn it for 2 minutes more, cool it down a little bit. We can also fan the rice a little bit. That goes a little bit quicker. I'm going to use 2 sheets of banana leaf, and I'm going to put half of the amount in each. So at this point your rice is not completely cooked. And we're just going to fold it up. Don't fold it tightly. Add some water in your steamer. The lid. I'm just going to put a little weight on there, and we're going to steam our rice for about 40 minutes. Now we're going to check out if our rice is done. Take a little bit and we're going to taste it. Rinse your basket on the cold water. And we're going to open the rice a little bit. It may seem a little bit dry, but that's not a problem. We're just going to sprinkle a little bit of water on there. A bit more. The water actually replaces the vinegar mixture you use with sushi. It actually takes about the same amount, which means about 3 to 4% of your rice volume. So you can see it becomes a little bit creamy again. That is the consistency we want. Just get it all to one side. Take a damp cloth and put it over the rice, and we're going to let it cool down completely for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, let's make this makizushi. The soya paper, we're going to add our rice to it. You don't want to stick too much rice on there, up to about 3/4 of the sheet. Put some rice grains at the end. That is going to glue the paper. We're going to cut the strawberries into slices. I'm going to take the yuzu puree, a little bit more than a good tablespoon. I'm going to put our blueberries first. The slices of strawberry. And now the raspberries. Now we're going to roll them up, but you don't want to do this too tight. It is a little bit delicate to do. You really don't want to press it too hard. Now you need a really sharp knife, and we're going to cut them in half first, and then we're going to cut them in 3 parts. Just let the knife do the job. And now we're going to put our little flowers on there. And there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and hit that bell. It's a great motivation for me. And as this story ends, my dear friends, all that's left to say, bon appetit and see you back soon.